run, run, run. To move quickly using your legs. Example, he runs every morning to stay healthy. Jump, jump, jump. To push yourself off the ground into the air. Example, he jumped over the fence. Walk, walk, walk. To move at a slow, regular pace using your feet. Example, they walk to school together. Eat, eat, eat. To consume food by chewing and swallowing. Example, we eat dinner at 7 p.m. Drink, drink, drink. To take a liquid into your mouth and swallow it. Example, she drinks water after exercising. Speak, speak, speak. To say words out loud, to talk. Example, can you speak louder? Listen, listen, listen. To focus on hearing something. Example, listen to the teacher carefully. Read, read, read. To look at and understand written words. Example, he reads a book every night. Write, write, write. To create letters or words with a pen, pencil, or keyboard. Example, she writes in her journal every day. Draw, draw, draw. To make a picture using a pencil or pen. Example, the kids love to draw pictures. Cook, cook, cook. To prepare food by heating it. Example, she cooks delicious meals for her family. Swim, swim, swim. To move through water using arms and legs. Example, they swim in the lake during summer. Sing, sing, sing. To produce musical sounds with your voice. Example, he sings beautifully in the choir. Dance, dance, dance. To move your body to music. Example, they dance at the party. Play, play, play. To do an activity for fun or enjoyment. Example, the children play in the park. Clean, clean, clean. To remove dirt or mess. Example, she cleans her room every weekend. Study, study, study. To spend time learning or reviewing. Example, they study hard for the exam. Open, open, open. To make something not closed or blocked. Example, please open the door for me. Close, close, close. To shut something, making it not open. Example, don't forget to close the window. Laugh, laugh, laugh. To make a sound showing happiness or amusement. Example, they laugh at the funny joke. Push, push, push. To use force to move something away. Example, he pushes the heavy car up the hill with all his strength. Pull, pull, pull. To use force to move something closer. Example, he pulls the rope with all his strength. Catch, catch, catch. To grab and hold something in motion. Example, he catches the ball during the game. Throw, throw, throw. To send something through the air using your hand. Example, she throws the ball to her friend. Clap, clap, clap. To hit your hands together to make a sound. Example, they clapped after the performance. Kick, kick, kick. To hit something with your foot. Example, he kicks the ball into the goal. Sit, sit, sit. To rest your body on a chair or other surface. Example, please sit down and relax. Stand, stand, stand. To be in an upright position on your feet. Example, they stand in line to buy tickets. Hold, hold, hold. To take and keep something in your hand. Example, she holds the baby gently. Climb, climb, climb. To go up something, often using your hands and feet. Example, he climbs the mountain every weekend. Ride, ride, ride. To sit on something and control its movement. Example, she rides her bike to school. Fly, fly, fly. To move through the air like a bird or plane. Example, the birds fly high in the sky. Wash, wash, wash. To clean something with water and soap. Example, she washes her hands before eating. Brush, brush, brush. To clean or smooth something using a brush. Example, he brushes his teeth twice a day. Buy, buy, buy. To pay money for something. Example, she buys fish at the market. Sell, sell, sell. To give something in exchange for money. Example, he sells fruits at the shop. Drive, drive, drive. To control and operate a vehicle. Example, he drives to work every day. paint, paint, paint. To apply colour to a surface using a brush or other tools. Example, she paints beautiful landscapes in her free time. Cry, cry, cry. To produce tears from your eyes, often when you're sad. Example, the birds fly high in the sky. Build, build, build. To make or construct something, often a structure. Example, they build a sandcastle on the beach.